Okay, good morning, family. I welcome you to another session this morning where we are going to handle this question. It is coming from the topic linear motion, and the question reads: a body moving at 40 meters per second decreases uniformly from 420 seconds at 3 meters per second squared. Calculate the distance covered. Now, as usual, in physics, there are things that you have to be considerate of. First thing first, we are going to gather our data. So, what are we given from this question? We have this initial velocity of 40 meters per second. Since this vehicle was moving and it was decreasing, so it was moving with this velocity as the initial, and it started decreasing. We don't know the velocity it was moving at when it decreased. Then we are going to discover that it decreased for 20 seconds. So say time is equal to 20 seconds. Then there is now this here, it's not acceleration necessarily, but it is the retardation. Others they call it retardation, others they call it the acceleration. So this one, I'll consider it to be acceleration. However, the symbol will be negative. So it will be negative 3 meters per second squared. And now we are told to calculate the distance. In this case, we are talking about their displacement. Now, boys and girls, when you have this data here, we'll be able to tell which formula we use. Now, from the information given here, I'll use this equation. So say displacement is equal to initial velocity times time plus half times acceleration times time squared, like that. Now from there, we know that our initial velocity was 40 meters per second. Then our time was 20 meters, 20 seconds rather. And plus half. Our acceleration here, which is the retardation, we have negative 3 meters per second squared. And our time is 20 seconds. Now this 20 seconds, we shall square it like that. Then we use simple algebra here. 40 times 20, we are having 800. 800 plus half. So here we can say negative 3 meters per second squared. Then 400 to the power 20 to the power 2, we are having 400. That. Then here we can say 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 400, we've got 200. Like that. Then from there, we'll group the like terms. Say 3 times 200, we are having 600. Positive times negative, we are having negative 600. So 800 minus 600, we are having 200. And since we are looking for displacement is always measured in meters. Thank you so much. Good morning.